Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to solve the no video output problem on GameStick 4K Pro and Lite version. This problem happens when the SD card that comes with the game is damaged or corrupted and the game console will not be able to boot. To solve this problem, one needs to download firmware for the particular version of the GameStick, which unfortunately is very difficult to locate. And at times, even if you are lucky enough to get it downloaded, it might not still work. So, today I will be showing you how you can easily solve this problem using the GameStick 4K software. I also faced this problem, then I downloaded this firmware, which is the same for my GameStick. After flashing it into my GameStick, it did not work. I get no video output, not until I used this GameStick software to encrypt the image. So, if you are facing this same problem, what you need to do is simple. First, locate and download the firmware for your GameStick, like I did for my own also. Then, download the GameStick 4K software on your PC and extract to any safe location. Open the software. From the left side panel, click Image Encrypt. Browse and select the image you downloaded, which is not working, and click the Encrypt button. The firmware image file will then be encrypted. To confirm this, open Disk Genius software and mount the image. You will notice that all the partitions and files in the image are no longer visible. This is because the image file has been encrypted. Now that the file has been encrypted, you can go ahead and flash it into your SD card. Please make sure to use original SD card, as fake ones will not work. Open Belena HR software as an administrator, select your image file, select your SD card, and finally, click the Flash button. The image will now be flashed into your SD card. Once the process completes, put the SD card into your GameStick and it should now work perfectly. If for any reason this method did not work for you, it might mean you do not have the right firmware for your device. But the good news is you can actually create your own firmware by yourself. I made a tutorial on how to create your own firmware for your GameStick 4K Pro and Lite version. You can check out the video to create your own firmware for your GameStick. If this video has helped you, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.